Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby here from Pip Syndicate. I just wanted to show you this resource that's on YouTube. Okay, this is a free channel, and it's called Tradera Legacy. Okay, Tradera used to be a MLM company for Forex MLM company, and they went out of business. But the guys that ran the company were legitimate traders, and they put together this training. I actually went through this training when I first started. And it's pretty good, man. It's pretty thorough. It's pretty good. And what they did was they decided to upload it to YouTube for free when they went out of business, and they called the channel Tradera Legacy. This was their legacy. And what you want to do is when you get to the channel, you click on playlists, and it has it all in groups, of what the videos are about. There's a bunch of videos here. Let's pick price action.
Better futures start now with the Ninja.
That. And, you see all the videos on price action trading. Now, what I like about this, too, is if this is your first day trading, you can go right here. They're going to show you everything on how to set up MT4, everything right from the beginning, guys. You go right here to the basics, support and resistance. You can just work your way up, through all the different strategies and stuff like that. Now, no trader 2 or 3 years from now, you're not going to be trading the same strategy you are now. But I think everybody should get like this training, should go through this course, or at least, get familiar with a bunch of the stuff in here, Fibonacci, risk management, super important, But I just wanted to point this out. This is here, man. You don't have to pay for training when you're getting started. This is good, solid stuff, man. These guys put together a good program here. Just want to shout it out, man. Take care, guys. Or if you're interested, every day, 10 a.m., we're trading. Okay, we caught 75 pips this morning on oil. About an hour and a half. All right, guys. I'll see you later, man. Thank you.